If you've ever tried making pizza outdoors and ended up constantly turning the crust, guessing the temperature, and still pulling out something unevenly cooked, you know how quickly the fun can turn into frustration. Outdoor pizza ovens are supposed to simplify that experience, not make it feel like a balancing act. That's where the Aidpiza Outdoor Pizza Oven 12-inch wood pellet model steps in, especially for backyard cooks, campers, and weekend hosts who want consistent pizza without babysitting the fire the entire time. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Aidpiza Pizza Oven has that classic compact outdoor cooking look, but there's more thought put into it than you might expect. The gray finish feels clean and practical rather than flashy, which actually works well for something you're going to use outdoors where durability matters more than appearance. The body feels solid enough to handle regular heat cycles without giving off that thin metal gadget impression that cheaper ovens sometimes have. The retractable legs are a smart addition because they make setup and storage much easier, especially if you're moving between your backyard, a picnic spot, or a campsite. It doesn't feel like a permanent installation, which is exactly what you want from a portable oven like this. The feature that immediately changes the experience is the rotating pizza stone. Normally, outdoor pizza cooking means constantly opening the oven and manually turning the pizza so it doesn't burn on one side. But here the 360 degrees rotation system takes care of that manually without electricity. You just turn the handle and the stone rotates smoothly, helping distribute heat more evenly across the base. In real use, this actually reduces a lot of the guesswork, especially if you're new to high-heat pizza cooking. Instead of worrying about timing every side perfectly, you can focus more on toppings, crust texture, and getting that balance of crisp and chewy without constantly opening the oven door. Performance-wise, once the fire is properly established with wood pellets, the oven heats up quickly and maintains a strong, steady cooking environment. The built-in thermometer is more useful than it sounds because it gives you a real sense of when you're entering the pizza-ready zone instead of guessing based on flame size or external heat. That alone makes a big difference for consistency. Cooking a pizza inside feels fast, almost surprisingly so, and because of the high heat, you're getting that classic blistered crust effect in just a few minutes. Beyond pizza, it actually handles other foods like chicken wings, sausages, and vegetables quite well, which makes it more of a general outdoor cooker rather than a single-purpose gadget. Cleanup is fairly straightforward once it cools down, though, like most pellet-based systems, you do need to manage ash and leftover fuel after use. Now, being realistic, this oven isn't completely hands-off or beginner-proof in the sense of plug-and-play. You still need to get comfortable with fire management and understand how pellet heat behaves over time. The rotating stone helps a lot, but you still need to pay attention during cooking because things move fast at high temperatures. If you're expecting full automation or electric-style simplicity, this won't replace that experience. But if you enjoy a bit of hands-on outdoor cooking, it actually feels rewarding rather than stressful. Compared to other portable wood pellet pizza ovens in the same price range, the Aidpiza model stands out mainly because of that manual rotation system. Many competing ovens require you to constantly rotate the pizza with a peel, which works but demands more attention and timing. Others may include better insulation or slightly faster heat retention, but often at a higher cost or with more complex setups. This one finds a practical balance by focusing on usability over advanced engineering, which makes it more approachable for casual users while still delivering solid cooking performance. So, who is this actually for? It's a great fit for people who enjoy outdoor cooking experiences, backyard gatherings, camping trips, or anyone who wants to make pizza feel more interactive without turning it into a stressful process. If you want absolute precision or a fully automated system, there are more advanced ovens out there, but they usually come with a higher learning curve and price tag. This one is more about enjoyment and accessibility than perfectionism. If this helped you figure out whether it's the right fit for your setup, consider liking the video, subscribing to our more honest outdoor gear reviews, and checking the link in the description when you're ready.